Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a update to the Patch Tuesday security updates of last week. So of course there was some talk in the news about problems arising from that update. Well, another problem has been seen by some users apparently. If you've lost your internet connectivity, either by Wi-Fi or even by Ethernet, a lot of, a certain amount of users are reporting that they completely lost connectivity. And, they try different things. You can even go to try to reinstall the adapter. Well, it seems that it doesn't come back until you actually remove the update from last Patch Tuesday. So if you've lost internet connectivity since the Patch Tuesday updates of last week, the only thing that seems to work for now is, of course, once again, to uninstall that update. You simply go to your settings. In your settings, you will go into Update and Security. In the Update and Security side of things, go to Update History, and there's a button called Uninstall Updates. If you click there, you will have the update to uninstall, and the one that is to uninstall is the KB4515384. That's the one that's causing that problem. It's also the one that's causing other issues of start menu not actually appearing or working in the Windows 10 May 2019 update. Once again, this seems to actually affect only the May 2019 update. So this is interesting. Like I was saying in one of my videos that I posted Saturday, it's, crazy. I mean, that update rolled well, and now you're messing it up with a bad update. So I think Microsoft needs to really make sure that their updates are better. Now, no word yet of Microsoft about this specific issue. No word yet of anything, but we'll see if they actually acknowledge the problem. And that also means that eventually they will hopefully fix it in the next few weeks. Usually there is an update about a week, 2 weeks after the Patch Tuesday, so maybe that will include a fix for this and other problems that some people have been noticing. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.